everybody, welcome to the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes with me, Carol, karibu sana, and today we are cooking from the Plant Paradox Cookbook by Dr. Gundry, and we are going to make the mini bagels. There, look at how lovely they are. Oh, yep, so that's what we are going to try and make today. So the book calls them the Plant Paradox Mini Bagels. They are lectin-free bagels, so let's try out the recipe. You see, we have salt, we have almond flour, some tapioca flour, some baking powder. This is monk fruit sweetener. We have some vinegar over here, 1 egg. I like the fact that this recipe doesn't have a lot of ingredients, so I'm so excited to try it out. So we'll start by warming our water. It needs to boil. So as it's boiling, we'll add some salt and let it boil. Then the next step, we'll be mixing our dry ingredients together. We have our almond flour and our tapioca. Then the salt, baking powder, and our monk fruit sweetener. Now we'll add our vinegar and half a cup of warm water that I have removed from the pot. Then we mix. I think the dough is okay. It's here. Next step, we'll be dividing it into balls, around 11 to 12 balls. That's what the recipe says. My dough has given me 11 balls, so we need to flatten the balls with your hands. You mold it to the shape of a bagel. Mini bagels, yes, like that. Yes, so you do the same with the rest. Now we need to place our bagels into our boiling salty water. It's supposed to stay here for 1 minute, or when it floats on top, we remove. This one is floating on top, so we need to remove. Yes. This one is floating on top, so we remove. Here are our bagels. We need to bake them for 10 minutes and then we continue. while they are baking, we'll prepare our egg. Our egg is ready. So according to the book, you're supposed to choose the topping of your choice. You have everything but bagels, poppy seeds, rosemary, and so many others. So I've looked for everything but bagels in Nairobi. I've not found one yet. So let's see what we have. I'll use blue poppy seeds for some. I'll use some rosemary for some. I'll use hey, I hope I won't murder the pronunciation. Herbs de Provence. I hope I've pronounced it well. Herb de Provence. And then some sea salt, because those are among the ones that have been listed there. And yes, that's what I have. So let's wait for our bagels. So here is our egg mixture. We need to brush on top, and then once you brush, you put your toppings immediately. You don't go to the next one, because now it says it gives the toppings enough time to settle. So here, let's do some sea salt. Go to the next one. Here we do the herb de something, herb de Providence, somebody de whatever, the herb de whatever that it is. I would want to taste them with everything but bagels. So one day we shall use the herb de something. Now we're going to put it back into the oven for 5 to 10 minutes, or until the bottom of the bagels are just golden. Yes, everything looks fine. And here we go back. I think our bagels have cooled enough, so let's check. The ones with the poppy seeds. This is the one with the rosemary. This is the one with the herb de something. And this one has sea salt flakes. Whoa, look at that. Mautamu reloaded. So which one are we tasting? Any. Let's taste any. This is the way it looks. And inside, look at that inside. Whoa. Wakati wa msema kweli. Let's taste it. Here's the piece that we got. Let's try this one with the rosemary. Guys, these bagels are amazing. And what has come, the first thing that came into my mind when I tasted it, this is my second time making them, so this is not my first time. The first thing that has come into my mind when I was tasting it is the taste of macadamia nuts. So you crush the nut, you remove the macadamia inside, and you eat it. That's the first thing that came into my mind when I was tasting these bagels, and they are sweet. So guys, that was the video for today. We're cooking the Plant Paradox mini bagels, as you can see from the book and the Plant Paradox cookbook. The bagels are amazing. I think it's a quick recipe. Doesn't have a lot of things, only flour and the sweeteners and the vinegar and the egg, and then of course the toppings of your choice and some salt. So it's a quick one. I think this is a recipe that you can do in a few minutes and it will be ready and done. I'd want to taste them with everything but bagel seasoning. So if you're in Nairobi and you know anywhere I can find everything but bagel seasoning, hook me up, hook me up. So kwaherini for now, and God bless. See you in the next video. Bye bye.